Now, so I put my pattern on there, or my reference photo. I just printed out in black and white, so I'll send you a reference photo and you can print out in black and white, and then you can trace it over if you need to. If you can do a freehand, that'd be wonderful, but I find it easier and faster for me because I'm doing so many videos at a time. I don't want. So I use carbon paper, and I just put it underneath there, and I drew out my horses. Now, you're going to need a small, flat, chiseled edge brush for this, okay? Because you don't want to go outside the lines because you'll end up with a funny looking horse. Okay, so just pick up only black and fill it in. Okay, might put a little bit of might put a little bit of detail in the horse. I'll see. It might look nicer without it because it is a silhouette. Don't want too much detail. We'll see what it looks like. Like I said, there's a big difference between a picture and a painting. You might look at a picture and say, oh my gosh, I'd make a beautiful painting. And then when you go to do it, you just can't get it. Just can't get it to look like the picture. You can't even get it near the picture. It just looks awful, no matter what you do. Alright, that happens sometimes. No matter how hard you try, there's times when you just can't get that painting to look, or to even become close or similar to the picture, and then you get discouraged and say, oh, I can't paint. So as you can see, this painting is not, it's similar and it's close, but it's not exactly the same as the picture. I wouldn't want it to be anyway, because I want to do it my way. I don't want to be held hostage to a photograph, okay? I don't like that. I'm gonna come down to the ground. May not need to bring the ground up unless the legs are too long. So I mean, if you put it on and you go up too high, just bring your ground up to the legs instead of trying to erase your horses and change them around, okay? Even this brush seems a little tad bit too big, so I'm going to switch to a smaller one now in a second. So I'll get the main body and then I'll switch, because this this brush is a little bit too big. Very small round brush I'm going to try. It's too small, I'll get a bigger one. Just need a little more control. You making fun of my horse? I hear you laughing. I don't know what happened to that one. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my. Will I leave it? I can't take it out. Oh my, just fill it in with black. It should be nicer than that. Anyway, there's my horse. Oh my goodness, I don't know what happened. Oh, I know what happened. I put too much. This should have came in a bit more. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But you make the horse your way. That's better. A bit better. It's where it's silhouette, so you kind of, you know, gets an odd look. The more I try to fix it, the worse it gets. Oh, guys. Guys, can you forgive me? I'm supposed to be teaching you. Teaching how to make funny looking horses. So I'm going to bring this land up to the feet. Just using black. Because they look a bit long over here, don't they? I don't know if I can do anything to save this poor horse. I'm just going to make it look like it's rocks and bumps here. So we'll add some color to our horses, and we'll add some burnt umber, some red, some burnt umber, and red and white, and we will, all right, so try to get a nice highlight there, and we will get a little bit here on the chin. So you're going to leave all the bottoms the black color. So I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight here. So I'm just using a small flat synthetic brush. Bristle probably would give you better results, but I'm just going to try this for now. We're going to dry brush. So what we're doing is putting paint on our brush and we're wiping it off, okay? Dry brush it on the face, and we will put some on the leg here. Just on the front here a little bit here. We will scrub in some up here. Front of the belly. So see, I don't have hardly any paint on my brush. There's the belly here, so I'm going to scrub it on there. Barely any paint there. So here I'm going to put some white, black on one side and white on the other. Just going like this. So it looks like a mane. that's a nice painting. It's pretty simple, pretty fast. Well, you know, a little tedious at times, but you have lots of patience, and you do it your way and have some fun, and that will be it for that painting, and I'll have a lot more coming up. So I also have little previews about a minute to 2 minutes long, to tell you the dates that are coming up on my Patreon page and YouTube, my YouTube channel. So you can have a look out. So you can have a look out for the previews. All right, little tiny previews, very tiny, the minute to 2 minutes long, just to tell you when they're going to be up on my YouTube channel and my Patreon page. If you decide to go to Patreon because you want it sooner than later. And it's only $1 a month, and if you only want to go in for 1 month and do a couple of paintings and then go on, you can do that too, okay? So you don't have to stay there forever. Well, thank you for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed that painting, and if you did enjoy that painting, leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you liked about that painting. What part of that painting did you like? What was your favorite part? And if you have any questions about brushes or paints or anything about the painting itself, just email me at allisonpryor@yahoo.com or leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next video.